Once, all the animals of the forest gathered together in a great circle to have a contest of strength. First was the chimpanzee, and chimpanzee jumped up and said, "Look at these arms! Look at these arms! Ooh, 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 ha, ha, ha." The next was deer, and deer jumped into the middle of the circle and said, "Look at these legs! Look at these legs!" The next was leopard. The leopard prowled into the center of the circle, unsheathed her claws, and said, "Look at these claws! Look at these claws!" Ah. The next was bushbuck. And bushbuck strode to the center of the circle and said, "Look at these horns! Look at these horns!" The next was elephant. An elephant lumbered up to the center of the circle, stood proudly, and said, "Elephant means strength. Elephant means strength." The next was man. But man was late again. Finally, man came running into the circle and said, I'm here. What am I doing? Look at these muscles. And the animal said, "Okay, man, have a seat. Let the contest begin, but before we begin, I need you out in the audience to help me be the judges of this contest. So everyone take your fists and go like this. Good. And when the animal asks the question, strength, was that strength? You're going to answer by doing this. Strength, that was strength. Okay? Let's try it again. I'm going to ask the question and you're going to answer. Strength, was that strength? Strength, that was strength. Good. So, let the contest begin. First was chimpanzee, and chimpanzee climbed up a tree, grabbed some tree limbs, and tied them into knots. Strength, was that strength? Everybody, strength, that was strength. The next was the deer, and deer leapt up and ran 3 miles into the forest, and 3 miles back. When she came back, she wasn't even out of breath. And the animal said, strength, that was strength. The next was leopard, and leopard came into the middle of the circle and took her claws and began to dig a hole so deep that she disappeared. And she climbed up and asked, strength, was that strength? And the animal said, strength, that was strength. Next was the bushbuck, and bushbuck took his horns and plowed a row straight through and came back, looked around and said, strength, was that strength? And the animal said, strength, that was strength. The next was elephant. An elephant leaned up against a row of trees and began to push and push until all the trees came crashing down. Strength, was that strength? The animals were very, very impressed. Strength, that was strength. The next was man, and man leapt up, ran into the circle, and began to spin and dance. Strength, was that strength? And the animals kind of laughed at each other. Well, not really. Do you have anything else? And man said, watch this. And he went up to a palm tree and climbed to the top. grabbed palm nuts and began to throw them down at the animals. And the animals said, "Oh, well, thanks for the palm nuts, but, I mean, you saw what elephant did." Man was angry. Man jumped down from the tree, went behind a bush where he'd hidden the gun, aimed it at the elephant, and the elephant fell. Strength! Strength! Was that strength? But all the animals were gone, and man was alone. Late that night, all the animals of the forest gathered in a circle in the dark, and they asked each other, "Did you see what man did? Did you see that? What did he do? Why would he do that? Was that strength?" And Leopard answered, "That was not strength. That was death. That was death." And to this day, man walks alone through the forest. He walks alone. The animals stay away from him. They do not trust that creature, man, because he never learned the difference between strength and death. And that is the story of strength from the Limba people of West Africa.